Do you ever need an extra hand? Do ya? Well, stick around. Honest Paint and Speed Shop. We're going to test out something pretty cool. All right. So what we're going to test out today is it's a soldering station from Noevsbig. So check out all that cool stuff. Not much to it. It just thanks for the purchase. And then it shows kind of some configurations of what can happen with this here. So you know what? It comes in 3 pieces. This, and this. All right, let me get it set up and then I'll bring it back. All right, so it's just plastic. I didn't have a knife, so I got a reciprocating saw blade. That'll work. Use what you got, kids. Use what you got. All right, so. Hello. That was dumb. Anyway, we got 2 of these guys. This time we're gonna be more aggressive. Another one. Oh, I was doing it out here. This is down here. Okay, now to do the setup. I even got some wire. I couldn't find my soldering iron. However, we'll cut some wire. Yep. Okay. We got some, what is this? 22 gauge. Just a little bit here. Let's see, we're gonna solder them up. Like that, maybe, huh? Then you just take your little wire and you push down there. You like that. You can get them just right as rain and stuff. See? I mean, can't beat that with a stick. All right, so what did we learn today? The soldering station from Noevsbig is pretty darn slick. Look at that. I mean, you can just move them right into place. Just turn it. Yep, turn it. And you can get them, you know, right there. 3 pieces, man. Can't beat that. Make sure you check out on the thing. Yes. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this short review, and Honest Paint and Speed Shop approved. Keep on wrenching, kids.